Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in your Volvo XC90 key fob. First, gather your materials: a new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated pry tool. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, as the components are small. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob working reliably. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and slide out the mechanical key. This reveals a small slot where you can insert your pry tool. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your pry tool to carefully lift out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Reinsert the mechanical key into its slot. Finally, test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. And hey, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.